Hi everyone, it's Ed here, your faceless YouTuber sharing my 10-year journey with cacti and succulents. Today's episode is one I know many of you have been waiting for, propagation. Yep, turning one plant into many, and it's easier than you think. Stick around because I'll share some fun stories, common mistakes, and a propagation challenge at the end to help you grow your collection. What is propagation? Propagation means creating new plants from the ones you already have, through leaves, stems, pads, or seeds. It's a budget-friendly way to grow your collection or share plants with friends and family. Fun fact, some cacti naturally drop pads that root on their own in the wild. It's nature's cloning process. Method 1. Leaf propagation. Best for succulents like Echeveria and sedum. Gently twist a healthy leaf from the mother plant. Make sure it's a clean break. Let the leaf dry out for a few days until the end forms a callus. Place it on top of well-draining soil. Don't bury it. Mist lightly every few days until roots and tiny rosettes form. Personal story. The first time I tried leaf propagation, I rushed it. I didn't wait for the leaf end to dry and it just rotted. Patience really is the secret. Subscriber question. Ed, do leaf props work indoors? Absolutely. Just make sure they get lots of bright indirect light. A sunny windowsill works great. Pro tip, in humid states like Florida or Louisiana, go easy on misting. Too much moisture can cause rot. Method 2, stem cutting propagation, great for jade, aloe, kalanchoe. Cut a healthy stem with clean scissors. Let it dry and callus for a few days. Plant in dry cactus mix and water only after a week or so. Personal story. I once planted a jade cutting right after snipping, and guess what? It rotted. Now I always wait for the cut to dry first. Subscriber question, how long until my cutting roots? Usually 2 to 4 weeks. Gently tug. If there's resistance, roots are forming. Method 3, pad propagation, for prickly pear and similar cacti. Use tongs or gloves to twist off a pad. Let it dry for a week until the cut end calluses. Plant upright in dry soil, shallowly so it stays steady. Water after about 10 to 14 days. Pro tip, pad propagation is super easy in places like Arizona, Nevada, or California, thanks to the dry air and strong sun. Method 4, pups and offsets, for aloe, haworthia, agave. Gently remove the small baby plants that grow at the base of the mother plant. Pot them up separately, they're ready to grow on their own. Subscriber question, can I leave pups attached? Yes, but separating gives both the pup and mother more room to thrive. Fun fact, aloe pups can double your plant collection fast. They're generous growers. Top propagation tips. 1. Always let your cutting or leaf dry out before planting. No shortcuts. 2. Use gritty, well-draining soil. 3. Bright light is your friend, but avoid direct blazing sun on new props. 4. Be patient. New roots take time. 5. Less water is better at the start. Too much can rot new plants. Challenge, try propagating one plant this week. Whether it's a jade cutting, an Echeveria leaf, or a cactus pad, tag me or comment to share your progress. I'd love to hear how it goes. That's part 9. You're now ready to multiply your succulent and cactus collection like a pro. In part 10, we'll cover styling your succulents and cactus plants, how to make them Instagram-worthy without spending a fortune. Don't forget to subscribe and happy growing.